Morning folks. Right, I managed to catch enough thread on the broken axle to get the wheel remounted, so I'm going to just take it for a toddle round the back and see how it hopefully performs. It does have a nice low response. Yes, I know I'm going very, very slowly, but it's actually raining here today. And I'm only sitting in two-wheel steer. Let's see what sort of speed this has. It's a reasonable turn speed for something like this. Right, I'm only running on a 1500 milliamp 2S at the moment. But it will run on a 5000 milliamp 2S 30C without causing damage to the ESC. And the 2200 that I have oh, love that. I think I'm asking a bit much. It's the sheer flexibility of this thing. Amazing. Now, I wonder, will I be able to climb up the steps? Yeah, it hits a problem there. No way I'm going to get in far enough to catch, which is a pity. Maybe with shallower steps it might work. Absolutely no problem with these tyres. At least now that I managed to get the wheel nuts off. Now, who in their right mind puts threadlock on nylock nuts? That was the problem. They'd actually put threadlock on these nuts in the factory, and that was what ended up shearing one of my fuel axles. trying to get the nut off. Took the nuts off. And then ran a die nut down the axles to clear out the threadlock. Ditched the kit nuts and replaced them with another 4 ordinary nylocks. And as you can see, it's performing alright. It'll be interesting to see what this is like once I get down to the park. That might be quite a few weeks away, unfortunately. Right, and you can see there's my tiny little battery sitting in there. Oh, I must admit, very pleased with the response of this. If only that step was a little shallower, I might be able to climb the steps. Right, well, that's all for today, folks. Well, that's all for this video anyway. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you all later on the next video. Bye for now.